Last time I used ChatGPT to pass LinkedIn JavaScript assessment. This time I am going to use ChatGPT to build a Chrome extension. Open ChatGPT and type. Write code for Chrome extension script and named it timer. This extension has functionality like start time, stop time, reset time, and pop-up to show time passed by. Now ChatGPT is writing JavaScript code for timer.js file for basic functionality. It say that we need to create popup.html. So type, write code for popup.html. Now let's ask ChatGPT to add some CSS code to make look better. And finally we need manifest.json file so that Chrome browser learn about our extension and let it work. Code is ready. Let's copy this code and paste it inside manifest.json file. Let's copy this code and paste it inside popup.html file. Let's copy this code and paste it inside timer.js file. Let's copy this code and paste it inside style section. I need to rename my JavaScript file as timer.js. I just added some icon.png file and now this is how our file structure looks like. Now, open Chrome and go to Setting and then Extensions. Turn on developer mode if it's off. To upload our code, just click on Load Unpacked Extension and select our folder which is Timer Extension. At last, our extension is added successfully. This error is just about manifest version update from 2023. Let's check our extension. Start the timer. Reset it. So friends, this Chrome extension is built by ChatGPT in less than 1 minute.